every day it feels like a race. Like, let's be honest, especially that you're in a girl group and we debuted during the pandemic, and also the fact that in the Philippines, hindi naman talaga yung kagaya sa K-pop na ang dami talagang groups doon. So we really have to push through and we have to work much, much harder because we have to build our own platform in the Philippines first before we go internationally.
Para po sa mga tao na hindi naniniwala sa sarili nila, hindi walang confidence, ganun, hindi kayo confident. Dapat magtiwala lang kayo kasi parang ayun, katulad nga po ng song namin na Karera, wala naman kayong hinahabol, walang naghahabol sa inyo. So dapat mag-pray ka lang na parang hintayin mo si Lord na ibigay sa iyo yung tamang timing for you, and lagi naman niya talagang nire-reserve yung the best for you, di ba? Kasi katulad naming Bini, talagang na-debut kami, sabi nga ni Mika, pandemic. And talagang ang dami naming hinarap, ang dami naming journey, and hindi kami nag-give up. That's what I love the most about our group. Yung hindi talaga kami give up. Lahat kami strong, lahat kami may pinaglalaban, may pinagmamalaki. Gusto namin ipakita kung sino yung talagang Bini.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.